I'm going to show you how to save a website as an app on your Android phone. This all happens in your web browser, and most people are using Chrome as their browser, so we're going to do this in Chrome. Different browsers have different steps for this, but in Chrome, you'll first navigate to the website that you want to save as an app, and then tap the three dots in the top right corner. You'll then scroll down to here where it says Add to Home Screen, and you're going to tap that. You'll get this little Install App menu where you can give it a custom name or just edit the existing name or just leave it as is. Then tap Install, and that's basically it. Now, depending on the settings on your phone, the app will either go straight to your home screen, or if you don't see it there, swipe up to reveal the app drawer and you'll find your little web page app there. I could now take this, long press it, and choose to add it to my home screen if I wanted it there for quick access. Then on the home screen, I can tap, hold, and drag it to move it to a different page. And now I can always open that site with single tap. And besides taking you to the site, this app shortcut also strips away the web browser bars, so it gives you more of a kind of like an app-like experience. It's still a website, but feels like an app now. Sometimes, depending on the website that you're using, doing this might install an actual app if there is an app available for that site in the Google Play Store. For this site, for example, after I follow the steps to add the site to my home screen, it'll actually go and download the ESPN app in the background from the Google Play Store. Depending on the app, the download might take a minute, but once it's done, it'll appear in my app drawer. This is kind of a nice shortcut because you can get the app directly from Chrome without having to go search for it in the Google Play Store. So, that's how you save sites as apps. Drop a comment below if this helped, subscribe for more simple guides like this, and thanks for watching. See ya!